Okay, all right, let's begin. Um I have my Excel spreadsheet open, all right, and I have sort of keyed in a little bit of data, all right, name and score. Doesn't matter what the score actually means, okay, it's just random numbers, all right. Of course, normally, I saw a lot of students whenever they want to add data in, they will just key in the next line, hit enter, go to the next line, hit enter, and so forth, all right. Nothing wrong with that, okay, but the objective here for this particular session is to create a form, all right. So you will notice that you don't have the form feature, all right. So if you want to add a form feature, basically just go to any place, all right. You just right click on your this toolbar, all right, and you can actually customize, okay. All right, so I will just customize the quick access toolbar, okay, and so you're now at the quick access toolbar, or you can customize the ribbon, whichever. All right, but go for all command. All right, by default it's just the popular command. Go for all command and look for F, which is form, F. All right, okay, so by default you will actually be somewhere in the form portion. Okay, here. All right, so once you find the form, of course you can edit over here, or you can actually remove it. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so which one you like. So now I will just edit over here. Actually, just now I already have it. Okay, but if you don't have it, just edit over, and of course click OK. So once you click OK, it should appear up here. All right, it should appear up here, which is your form. Okay, then the only other things I need to do is I need to run the form. See, once I run the form, it actually pick up the name, which is over here, and the score, which is over here, and I can actually see my data. And of course, if I scroll all the way to the end, well, I got 3 data, so if I scroll all the end, 3 of 3, the next one is actually a new record. Or alternatively, I can click here, new record. So let's test this one out. So let's say I call cars, and let's say cars actually score, let's say 23, and I hit enter. See, cars 23 over here. See, you actually get cars 23 over here. So okay, let's say learning actually scored, let's say 11, right, and I hit enter, and it becomes a very simplified form, and the data that you key in here goes into your spreadsheet. All right, it goes into your spreadsheet itself. Of course, this is the part 1 of form. Form can actually do a lot more things, as you can see over here. All right, form can actually do a lot more things, which we will go through over time, or in the part 2 and so forth. All right, on this one. Okay, then I'll see you on the subsequent video then.